Hi guys, this is Raju Rahman from Tectonic, and as you might already be aware if you've seen some of my existing Fold 3 related videos, I'm not a huge fan of the S Pen flip cover. I'm not going to go into the details of why in this particular video, but if you want to see a video about that, I'll put it up on the top right corner just here. Anyways, since I've been using this flip cover and getting used to its shortcomings, I've been searching for an alternative S Pen case, one that isn't a flip cover. Well, I've found one. Obviously, I've used this case for a little while already, the back cover, but for the sake of this video, I've put everything back into the box just to show you what it came with. The packaging itself isn't very interesting, but who cares about that? So inside you do get this free screen protector, which I may or may not use. And here you have the actual case itself. So like I mentioned, I haven't used this front cover. It does have this part you can sort of peel off, and that will have some adhesive on there so you can put it onto the front screen. And here's the back cover, which I've already said I've been using for a little while now. So let me get this Z Fold 3 out of its existing annoying case. Again, like I said, you can put this on if you want. I'm not a huge fan of cases, and I try and not use any case at all. So that's the reason why I haven't used it. But it goes on pretty easily. I don't know if you can see it here, but it's obviously raised around here, so when you place the phone down, you're not going to scratch the front screen. But let me take that off because, like I said, I don't like adding additional bulk to my phone. Let's leave that here. Now, the main reason why I'm doing this video is for this particular back cover. Now you can see you've got a sort of pocket here, or a sleeve, whatever you want to call it. And if we take the S Pen out, the S Pen simply just goes into this little sleeve. See, it does require a bit more pressure to push it in, and once it's in, it's in. It's not going to fall out. It's pretty firm and snug in there. Obviously, this back cover, you can see it's raised around here near the cameras. So again, you're not going to easily scratch those lenses. But then again, you've also got the S Pen here. So if you did place it, like that, it's not like you're going to scratch the cameras anyway. So taking out the S Pen is pretty easy. Obviously not as easy as taking the S Pen out of the flip cover, but at least with the S Pen in there, it's easier to hold. And just like the flip cover, obviously when you place the phone down, it will be raised ever so slightly at one side, so obviously it's not going to sit like flush on the table, regardless of which position you have the phone. It's going to be raised, right? But that's not something a lot of you will care about. Now, one issue with this case is wireless charging. With this case on, from what I've seen last time, it just doesn't charge. So yeah, you can't wirelessly charge your phone with this case on. Now you might ask, what happens if you take the S Pen out? Can you now wirelessly charge? I'm afraid not. Oh, apparently you can. So there you go, you can charge your phone with the pen out of the sleeve, but if you put the S Pen in the sleeve and try and charge it, it's not going to charge. So obviously that's a pretty big compromise if you like using wireless charging. I use wireless charging a lot, so now I'm in a bit of a dilemma. Do I continue using this flip cover case, which I hate just because of that flip cover? I wish that wasn't there. If it wasn't for that, this would have been a much better case. Or do I use this alternative case with an S Pen slot or pocket, sleeve, whatever you want to call it, but without being able to use wireless charging? So either way, there's compromises to be made. Let me know what you guys think. Which case do you prefer? Is this new alternative case something you might consider? Let me know in the comment section below. This has been Raju Rahman from Tectonic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please subscribe and like. That would really help me out. And don't forget to check out these other videos too.